Hi there, students. A misnomer. Okay, a misnomer is calling something by a name that is wrong or it's unsuitable. So, military intelligence could be termed as a misnomer if you're implying that the military aren't intelligent. Okay, maybe that's a joke. So, a misnomer, a name that does not suit what it refers to. So, for example, the country Greenland is a misnomer because it's not green; it's mostly white with snow. It's a misnomer to call this place a library because there are almost no books here. Yeah? And a misnomer, so an inappropriate name or a name that's just wrong. So yeah, this hotel is really tatty. It's run down. Everything's falling to bits. So the name Grand Hotel is a complete misnomer. Yeah, it's so a misnomer. It's a name that's not correct, or it does not suit what it refers to. So, for example, dry cleaning is a total misnomer because dry cleaners use liquid, so it's not dry. Yeah, they don't use water, and that's what they're saying, but it's clearly a misnomer. There are lots and lots of misnomers. The Isle of Dogs in London in the Thames. Well, it's a misnomer because it's not actually an island. It's a spit of land. It's like a very small peninsula. Yeah, it's not an island at all. So, Isle of Dogs, this is a misnomer. Or, for example, peanuts. This is another misnomer in a botanical sense because peanuts are a legume that grow under the ground. They're not actually a nut at all. Yeah? Or a koala bear. Yeah, a koala bear is not actually a type of bear. It's I think it's a marsupial, Ursidae maybe. Okay, so yeah, these are misnomers. These are things that have been given a name which it's not right. Or for example, the instrument, a French horn. It was invented in Germany. Yeah? Or, for example, the Canary Islands. Yes, you may find canaries in the Canary Islands, but the name actually comes from the Latin word canis, meaning a dog, because there used to be wild dogs there. So, yes, there are all types of misnomer. Yeah, you're calling things by names that they're not really, they don't really describe them at all. Okay, so a misnomer. How formal is this word, a misnomer? I would probably give it 6.5, 7. I think more informally just a wrong name. Yeah, or the name is unsuitable. And then the origin, well, it comes from Old French. There was a verb, misnomer, meaning to misname, which is mes or miss, incorrect. And then nomen, nominare, the name. So incorrect name. And that's the origin of the phrase a misnomer. Chinese checkers, drafts, this is a misnomer because they're nothing to do with China. Yeah, so it's just wrong. Calling this these 6 trees together a forest is a misnomer. There are not enough trees for it to be a forest. So this is the idea of misnomers. Yeah, people give names to things that are not the right name at all. Yeah, or for example, a starfish. It's not a fish. It's actually an echinoderm. Okay, so we call them a starfish, but it's not a fish. So I guess another misnomer. Yeah? What misnomers can you tell me about? I'm sure you've all got your own examples. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Misnomer.